In this video I'm going to show you guys how to add a GIF in KineMaster. This should work on both iOS and Android, so if you didn't know how to do that yet, then make sure you watch this video till the end and you should be able to do that. Let's get started. First of all, I'm going to show you guys that it doesn't work. So create a new project, select aspect ratio, go to media and photos. Well, and add it. And this is the GIF, and as you can see, it doesn't play like it should. So what you want to do is close KineMaster and open the Safari app, and go to this website right here, ezgif.com. Then what you want to do is click on video to GIF, and then click on GIF to MP4. So then click on choose file and click photo library, and then select the GIF. As you can see, this is GIF. Click choose and then on upload right here. As you can see, it is uploaded. And just click on convert GIF to MP4. And as you can see, now it is a MP4. So just click on save right here. Click on download. It has been downloaded. Click on it. Click on the bottom left corner and then save video. Like that. Go back to KineMaster, click on media, and now select video instead of photo, and select the GIF. And as you can see, right here, it is now playing like it should. And this is still the image. So I'm just gonna delete that. And yeah, this is the GIF from before. So yeah, that's basically it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and let me know in the comments if it worked, and I'd appreciate that. Bye. If this video helped you out, please consider subscribing so I can grow the largest how-to channel on YouTube. I'd appreciate it.